Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you Ridge Gourd recipe, which is not everybody's favorite vegetable, but it's a very healthy vegetable. I thought of showing you a easy and interesting way to make it tasty. So I have chopped it in a very small slices. Roasted peanut powder is very important ingredient here. I've taken soya bean oil, wait till it's hot, add jeera, let it crackle, and add one medium size of onion. Now I've taken little extra amount of oil here because I'm using 1 kg of Ridge Gourd. Turai is, you call it in Hindi. But this vegetable doesn't require too much of oil, so you can use less oil also if you are health conscious. And now I'm adding Ridge Gourd in it. Make sure you chop it very thin and in small pieces. It will be helpful to cook it easily. Otherwise, you'll have to cook it in a cooker, which will spoil the taste completely. So mix it well, and we want to cover it for about 5 minutes, and it will start releasing water. Especially this one was very fresh Ridge Gourd. Luckily, quarantine, I was very lucky. But if it's not very fresh, it wouldn't release too much of water, so you might have to keep checking and keep mixing it. I'm adding only salt here, mix it well, and then we will cover it again. Let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. Keep it on a medium flame so that we dry out the water. And here I'm preparing khichdi. I've taken half bowl of rice and half bowl of dal. And this is how I measure the water. So like with my little finger, I will just measure the top of the finger and I'll put the water. I'm adding salt, turmeric and 1 full spoon of ghee in it. Mix it well, and that's it. And now very important step is to switch on the stove. I cook it on 3 whistles, 1 on full flame and 2 on sim. And here I have chopped coriander leaves and I've packed it in airtight container. And these are like souvenirs if you find it in quarantine life. And now we are back to Ridge Gourd. You can see the water has almost dried up. And now we are adding turmeric, very little coriander powder and red chili powder. You can also add green chilies. As you know, I don't eat green chilies, but if you like, you can add green and red chili both. Mix it well. And now my Ridge Gourd is almost cooked, so I am not covering this up. But here, if your Ridge Gourd is not cooked, you might have to cover it up for 5 to 7 minutes more. Now here I'm only working on drying out the excess water. I like it to be very semi-liquid type. I don't prefer this with gravy, but that's a personal choice. If you like it with a little more gravy, you can keep water accordingly. And here I'm adding 2 full spoon of roasted peanut powder. Mix it well. And we want to cook this for 1 more minute. And now I'm adding the quarantine souvenir coriander leaves, very freshly available in the market, which is very rare. But yeah. Now I want to cook coriander leaves also along with the peanut powder, and that gives a very unique different flavor according to me. So Here I'm mixing everything together. And now I will switch off the stove. And a very tasty and very healthy Ridge Gourd and khichdi is ready to eat. Thank you for watching, and yes, subscribe if you want to get a good luck. Take care.